Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Honeytoon subscription. So I would advise you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any informative videos like these. So in order to find out where to cancel your membership, you can find it at this web address on my web bar here. And you want to go and check under the account management section. And there you will find that you can cancel your subscription by emailing contact@honeytoon.com. The email that you use to make the request must be the one that matches your account. If you did register with social media, there is a pre-generated email already written and that'll have all your information, and you can send that same email to Honeytoon. And it's really that easy. They will send you a confirmation email and your subscription to Honeytoon will be cancelled. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.